Hey you guys, so I promise I'll be back with some more keto tips, tricks, and of course, y'all favorite part, some progress pictures. Cause I know y'all see this clavicle right here. I done lost some weight. So the first tip that I would give is to be patient. I'm in a lot of keto groups on Facebook where like I post my recipes and other people post recipes and people just, I guess, want to start the diet, so they come in and ask questions. And I see a lot of posts that say, hey, it's been a week and I haven't lost any weight yet, or hey, it's been 2 weeks and I feel like I'm stalling, I haven't lost weight in 2 weeks. I just want to let you guys know that you will not see weight loss, dramatic weight loss every week or every 2 weeks. Some weeks you may gain weight, some weeks you may lose weight. You don't see yourself drop 5 pounds, a consistent 5 pounds every week. You got to give your body time to adjust to this diet. So I would say that it's best to probably spend more of your time making sure that you're eating enough fat before being concerned about losing the weight, because you got to get into ketosis before you even start to see any progress beyond water weight. So you just got to be patient with yourself. Your whole life your body's been running off carbs and it's been using carbs as an energy source, but when you switch over to keto, you're trying to switch your body over from using sugar and carbs for energy to using fat for energy, and that may take a long time. So like I said, you just have to be patient and stay in tune with your body, but do not freak out when you do not see weight loss from one day to the next. It's a gradual process, just like anything else in life. My next tip is, if you're still hungry after eating your keto meals, you are not eating enough fat. So like I said before, your body has ran off carbs your whole life. You want to get your body to use fat as an energy source. So I would recommend eating as much fat as you can, whatever it takes to get you full. So don't freak out if you ate 4 pieces of bacon for breakfast and eggs and you still feel hungry. It's okay, you're supposed to. Your body is still getting used to this diet. It's still used to the carbs. So you just eat as much fat as it takes for you to feel full. Now, a lot of people that I see on the Facebook groups, they say, oh, well, they're hungry or they're trying to watch their calories, and that's where you're going wrong. Trying to watch your calories on this diet. To get into ketosis, once again, you're trying to lower your sugar level. You're trying to lower how much sugar you're giving your body. That has nothing to do with staying below 600 calories. So if I wanted bacon for breakfast, I would eat as much as it would take me to get full, whether that was 4, 6, 8, 12. The important thing is a low carb limit to get you into ketosis. Now, you can start worrying about your calories once you're closer to your goal weight. Once you're closer to your goal weight, I feel like that's when you should start focusing on your macros. And the best part about that in keto is, by the time that you start focusing on paying attention to your macros and eating less, you don't even want to eat that much anymore. So it's a win-win-win, win-win. Do not starve. Like, oh my goodness, in these keto groups that I am in, people will be showing like their daily keto meals. They'll be like, this is what I had to eat today, and it'll be like 3 pieces of lettuce, like with a little sprinkle of some bacon on top. I'm like, dang, it's keto. Like, you're not supposed to starve, y'all. Like, don't think just because it's day 1 of keto, your first meal needs to be a healthy salad with some bacon and a little bit of avocado and a little bit of tomato sprinkled on top. Like, do not torture yourself. Like, this is probably the quickest way to fall off the diet. If you didn't eat 4 pieces of lettuce before, all that before, you're not gonna be satisfied with it now, especially not now. You're trying to get your fats up. Like I said, do not worry about the calorie counting. Just eat foods high in fat. Cook your meats or your chickens and vegetables and butter if you want to get your fat count up that way, or like use coconut oil to cook your foods and healthy oils. Do not be scared to eat unless it's carbs. Meal prepping is your friend, because in the beginning of keto, when you're trying to get your body to switch over to fat, you will be hungry. I mean, you may need a lot of meals a day. It may take you 4 meals a day, 5, or whatever. You just need to make a lot of meals. Me, typically, I would make a breakfast, lunch, and a dinner. But the big problem is, actually cooking and staying consistent. Like, how am I going to cook 3 meals a day? Because, a lot of people at work, school, a lot of people are just busy. You don't have time to cook every day. So that's why I said meal prepping is perfect. If you have to make a whole bunch of mini chicken breasts in bulk to make yourself chicken breast sandwiches for lunch throughout the week, do it. Just make everything. You can make everything in bulk and keep it in there. Just meal preps, because it'll help you stay on a schedule. It'll help you stay consistent with your diet. So make it the day before if you want to. I make foods the day before, so that would be a great idea. And when you hear me say eating multiple meals a day, you do not have to be Chef Gordon Ramsay in that kitchen. You do not need to cook a 6-hour roast for dinner. Like, you don't need to cook anything dramatic. Like, some days I would just take bacon and put it in between some lettuce that was topped with cream cheese and call it a day. Like, whatever lunch you want to make. But it's just however you organize your diet. Eat low carb when you can. So even though you have 20 grams of carbs a day, there are ways that you can keep your carb count low. Like, please do not waste your carbs on candy or sweets and stuff like that. Try to spend your carbs more in vegetables or foods. Try to keep, because it'll help you. It'll aid you in keeping yourself fuller longer. Like, candies aren't satiating, even on keto. I just wanted to basically show you guys my progress, show you that anything is possible. Keto can be done by anybody as long as you stay dedicated and follow this channel if you want to do it the best and easiest way. And I'll probably keep popping back in, showing you guys progress, like I said, possibly doing some keto food reviews, something like that. But yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me doing keto the Kodak way.